Hi, it's Jill. I am at the location of our permanent clubhouse, and I'm here with Dave Smith. He's going to tell us a little bit about what's going on in the construction and where things are going to be located. Dave, hit it.
Hello all. So right now we're actually standing on the road exiting the clubhouse. Right here, back behind Jill that way is going to be the main parking area for the clubhouse.
So Dave, will the event lawn see the valley views over there? Will you be able to see valley views from the event lawn?
If we go over on the other side of where the state area is for the concrete guy, the event lawn actually goes into these trees over here. It starts like right around here, goes up towards the parking lot. It's very large.
Great. This is where the clubhouse actually is going to sit on the property,
Yes,
right on the 18th.
If you look right here, it might be easier to come over here first, Bill. Over here is basically the entrance. And if you look at it, it's actually chalked out for the tree.
Oh, wow.
So this large tree will be kind of offset of the entrance. The main entrance, and you can see it perfectly right now with the chalk. The door will be right there.
Beautiful. Look at the amazing
If
views.
you walk down the main hall right there, you can see that. The private dining will be there, and the bar will be back there where that survey piece of equipment is right there. The main bar, and where the excavator, the mini X is back there digging a footing out, that's basically the lounge area and everything going on there.
Great. Where's the fitness center going to be?
The fitness center would be down over here. So as you walk this way, all the back of the house again is right here. The fitness area, as you see the hole that's dug, that's basically the subgrade of the building. So clear down over there, the far orange, you can see that's like the corner of the yoga area. The spa area is back over here, kind of by more towards the pro shop and that, and then the fitness is more kind of right down there, kind of halfway through the trees this way, and then the spin studio is more down, kind of where that orange stake is, right down there, and then above obviously the locker rooms.
Great. Well, we're super excited. Thank you for walking us through this today.